So this is an abandoned power plant. It's called Skaguay Power Plant. It was constructed in 1899 and they finished in 1901. So this power plant's a little over, 120 years old-ish. We hiked maybe like 5 or 6 miles to get out here, and it's pretty remote. Like it's not like your average hiking trail. It took us a good while to get out here. We tried to come out here about a month ago and there was too much snow. We didn't make it in time, so the sun was going down and we had to turn back. But this is so cool. I can't wait for you guys to see this, so check it out.
Like the Via Ferrata.
Yeah. Clip in.
Oh shit.
Ah. That's probably a better way to go. Go Tom's way. Whoa! Whoa! We're fucking here. I hope there's no one else here. Just sound like a fangirl. Holy shit. Oh. That's the swing set I was talking about. Sad. Oh no, it's right here. Just kidding. Ooh, let's go over there first. One bedroom apartment.
I looked on Zillow. This thing's going for $280,000.
Wow, that's a steal. And only one hole in the roof.
Only one hole.
And
it's a fixer-upper, but you know,
I see potential. Do you?
Yeah, it's got that rustic feel.
On.
It just starts.
Red rum. You know, Tiny Tim, tiptoe through the tulips. I really hope there's no one else up here. I think with all the cars we saw, I think this would be.
It was just those guys.
I think it was just, yeah, everyone we saw. Oh, we could totally get to the roof. Oh my goodness. Wow. at that really old wallpaper, dude. Crazy. Wonder if there's an upstairs. Oh, there is. we keep finding these stoves. Nobody wants to move the stoves.
They're so heavy and cumbersome.
And a fridge. Round up here, but I'm gonna take a... Wow. Yeah, but people won't mess with it. It was a good idea. Ooh. Not going down there. We could go on the roof now and set them on the roof. No one will mess with them. Wow, dude. Oh my gosh.
That's exciting.
This is cooler than I expected.
Bigger than I expected.
Oh, alright, POV mode.
Yeah.
Can you... I knew there would be something to get to the top. Oh, but don't climb around too much up there. Maybe just look around up there, actually. I didn't realize... Unless it's brick.
Let's see.
Because all of the ceiling is falling through. And that would be tragic.
There's a good amount of brick we can stand on.
Okay, but be very careful because there's a lot of... Don't stand on anything that's not the wall. Yeah, see how much of the ceiling has fallen through?
Yeah.
This is so cool. Yeah, that shit right there. Oh my gosh. Sucks. I wanted to be able to walk around the roof, but not worth it.
No. There's holes everywhere. There's a giant hole over there.
Yeah. I'm really glad there's holes in the roof, because I would have walked on that for sure.
Oh, me too. I didn't see those gaping holes. Yeah, look at how rusted out all that is.
Oh, dude. Look at all the layers. So 1899 to 1901. And this place, I think it got put out of commission from rain.
General Electric Company.
Oh, that's so cool.
Some billionaire wants this in their basement.
And we have to figure out a way to get it out. Oh, dude, come up here. Oh my gosh. It's massive.
It's a big engine.
You brought WD-40, right?
Yeah. It buffs right out. Put a beef off on there.
I can just hamster it. Nothing happens. It's just sliding. Yeah, WD-40 elbow grease. A hammer.
Dude, this is wild. Like, look at this. That's some nice stone.
And Teresa was here. Fucking Teresa.
Oh, there's T-lights. It's scrapped. Let's make a portal to hell.
Stop it. Don't. Oh, lower. We gotta lower.
This is a grown-up playground. Like, you know how the little kids have like the little Fisher Price thing?
Yeah.
This is a grown-up one where tetanus is a lot more real.
Yeah, hopefully you got your shots. Wow. Oh, this was covered, wasn't it, on the other side? I didn't see this thing on the other side. Somebody took, oh my gosh, somebody brought tools out here and took one of these.
They just brought a wrench.
Big ass wrench.
Oh, this is scary. That's a Widowmaker.
What, that falling ceiling thing?
Yeah.
Oh, there's stairs and a handrail. I can't wait to check out the rest of this place, but
I'm gonna take so many pictures.
I kind of want to go down there. Do you think that's a death trap to go down there?
Yeah.
But look how cool it is. I gotta at least get my flashlight out and shine it down there and take some video. It turns on.
Yeah, my headlamp is must have accidentally turned it on.
Alright, the adrenaline's going a little bit. Don't step on that thing. Okay, I'm going. I don't care.
Think about the machines that made these machines.
I know. There's like a dead body down here. I would call it quits.
I'd eat some gummy worms and then head out.
Oh, fuck.
Is it like a giant drill type thing?
Dude! This thing goes to the other one.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy down here. I'm gonna get out. Turnbuckle.